All right, to register and get started on your math, you need to go to Ivy Learn. And once you're in our class, you need to click on My Lab and Mastering. When you click on that, there should be a smaller orange button right here that says something like Get Started or Register. Just click on that and go through the registration process. When it comes to the spot where you need to pay for your access, if you want, you can use a credit card on there. But if you're planning on using financial aid to purchase your product, then what you'll need to do here is when they ask you to pay for it, on that page, it'll show, it looks like some textbooks, colorful textbooks, and it'll say use an access code or purchase access. If you're going to purchase it on here with your own card, you want to make sure that you purchase full access. You could, because it'll work for this class and your next semester as well, but you want to purchase full access. If you're going to do it through financial aid, we'll talk about that differently in a minute, but either way, you need to go through this registration process. If you're not going to pay for it at this website, then you need to scroll to the bottom. When they ask for the payment, you need to scroll to the bottom. You won't see it unless you scroll, but you need to scroll to the bottom until there's a very small sentence at the bottom of that page that says click here for 14-day temporary access. And when you do that, it will give you access to the program for the next 2 weeks. And then if you need to buy your stuff through our bookstore for the college, you can then do that with your financial aid if that's how you're going to pay for it. But either pay for it at this website or get temporary access at this website. And then you can figure out how to get your financial aid to work for paying for your materials over the next 2 weeks. Once the 2 weeks time period has expired, there is nothing I can do or anybody else can do to extend it for you. The only way it will be extended is if you have purchased the access to the website, whether it be what you purchased through your financial aid or through here. So you have 2 weeks to get that taken care of if it's not already taken care of. Please let me know when you have questions. Once you register here and you get access, you might have to come out and refresh your screen, or maybe even close the browser and come back in. And when you do, the next time you click on My Lab and Mastering, it will look like this, where it says Open My Lab and Mastering. And once it does, then you can click on that and come in and start working on your homework. And please watch the other videos that I sent out. The video I sent out the other night that goes through all the steps of how to do the homework.